Kublai shmuni fibro ke jingmetip namata kitu ki ba syait sutanap dengan simanta ke Jingmareh marathon ke badai kisan kilometer 10 kilometer senang te ke Jingmareh marathon hapo Shillong ke Shillong 10K run te tada don na pedang jungpi ku kwa ban le simanta namata kane te sampai kene ke video benakut kumdo ban pandap namata kane kadon ke online registration namata ban yo ban simanta Shillong run 10K 2024 registration form te kan ka link an sabu apo ka description te sa klik nang tu te sa pandap ye gijinon kam masa siu ye ka pisaro ka badai nam ta ni hang tu pihak pandap ki email karteng address ang trai pinang hi phone number age upload birth certificate lene aadhaar lene konon markadon kom ki age group la dai ki ba nang first name hapo pihak upload beda ka birth certificate bar pihak ra ro ko original birth certificate mar la hijab pinaban pen i da ka original birth certificate gender syuting itu tehne rule and regulation tesa pule bha phin margibon bha dengan subatai tangi ke badai batai tekan mau ka reporting time ka dai san shiteng on the 3rd August ka dai lai 3 August ka por mare kan mau san shiteng step mo lai 3 August apo SRGT parking lot polo kan dai polo last date for online registration will be on the 26th July 2024 5 PM kan mau kelas dari kena 23 Julai arjar pesau san baje bat kas Jingmareh kadai lai 3 August san steng step te sakan mau te kini menon kaman batai phaban pulehi kini ki instruction barok bade bakne tengin page tangi ki ba don kam have de bat kene ka race tapi hangne ada batai for age proof kene mo nam ta ki ba under 18 apo khat first name should produce their birth certificate issued by municipal and SHC. Runners participating in the 10K should bring their ID card proof such as Aadhaar. The winners should produce original birth certificate before the prize distribution of verification. Kan mau nam tu kena pihak bega birth certificate original ada hijab in hapan peni. Prizes. There will be prizes for first, second and third runners for both male and female for all categories of time run. They can don't make first, second, third berkan table senrang habarok categories. Categories. There will be 7 consolation prize for both male and female for categories serial number 1, 2, 3, 7 and 8 mentioned in serial number 27 below. Okay, 4 ire the 8 27 the kindon lagi jong pengen apa? Finisher medal will be given. Okay, decision okay men kamera the participation cost kabai registration nam ta ki local kan mau hama hapsiu kan hapsiu online ne ro under 15 kan dai light spa under kine 15 to 18 kan dai south spa kabon kategori ba then 18 to 35 kan dai plus spa 35 to 45 kan dai spa 45 to 55 kan dai spa 45 to 65 run spa 65 years above spa person with disability under 15 free registration ta kan mau nam ta ki under 18 ka dantang ka 100 kilometer ma te ka by registration ka ga 100 spa ka spa ten nabaro bre ka don bai ka 10 kilometer ne ai kinde ki kategori ma 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 ta kinde kategori don ta Jingmareh ta phap siu ka tu nam ta ki local participant for person with disability above free registration for outstation participant ki bana bar bade phap siu kan ne bade south spa sun spa shajar new spa khat pradu life sans name shajar dan new spa person with disability get a free registration payment for online registration phap siu online batch la don lupa QR code te ban yo eki bib number anel lapani participation board local and outside how to collect bib number from the office of the KGP Sinot Semgi admission compound near KGP Girls Higher Secondary School on 31st July and 1st August. Mau like 3 July but 3 August arjar apsa between itu khatway beje hadu san beje janmit phaban shemi ki bib number like 4 but 3 August. Kam don kamera kane ka participation package electric timing chips cash prize for the winners first second and third position and consolation prize for top 7 for categories serial number 1 2 3 7 and 9 1 2 3 7 and 9 the 1 2 3 mudba under 15 15 18 18 35 1 2 3 7 and 9 8 9 netho 11 I think itu Can I gitu ki you and along wa can I first second third and constellation price but I constellation price you can category 1 2 3 8 and 9 mentioned instead of 27 above. Hair coverage who are on the race what are during the race at pressing point. Okay, then we have click to category the local now station, then we have click ang tu bansu ka pisa kat no, then kane ka payment detail na da piko bansu habang ne piko su UPI na da ai ne te ka shong api pisu online pinang bansu online ne pinang ka like su direct habang ne, then kiba skew the QR code pila ban scan na kane, then kiba like su habang pila ban shondur sa upload hang ka file kiba su hono hono kiba shondur kiba ban screenshot sa upload hang ne ba sa submit na long ba sa leshi mobile number live way ba shi 3 August select mere bada live tarik jong August te kane ka link an bo ko description na da pi kwa ban register sa register nam ta kane ka Jingmareh Shillong 10K ron ta kane ka Jingmareh tip kule shubun.